Magic show just about to start. Well, we've got a full house here today, haven't we? Let me show you this. It's something fast. Hi, you're just in time. A magic show. That's never good, is it? Yes. Okay. Free ropes. Free ropes. You get one. You get two. You get three. Free ropes. And we're just going to make a little start. But I tell you what, turn my volume down a little bit. Just a little bit. Considering I think you're not going to struggle to hear me. How are you doing, sir? You're looking at me like a roadside accident. That's okay. I'm getting used to it. Oh, look. Someone is arriving. Hi. Hi there. Just to let you know, lady, this man right behind you is following you. Free ropes. Look. 1, 2, 3. A little bit of magic. A little bit of magic. Who can I ask? Someone who's good at tying knots. Okay, it's going to be one of them, I see. Okay, you hold on to this. If you can't do it, someone behind you is going to help you out. What's your name? Henry. Henry. High five. High five. That's a good high five. High five. Potato, 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 potato. French fries. Potato, French fries. Okay, I tell you what, you hold on to this one for me. So you've got a handful of sweets. I'm going to give it to someone else, but you're going to get a turn in a moment. Magic show. Say, Mum, can we watch the magic show? No, it's very good. I've seen it before. What I'm going to ask you to do is to do as I do. Is tie the two ends of the rope together like so. Now, if you can't do it, someone behind you is going to help. You got the idea? Tie the two ends together and another knot. You got it. Take your time. There's no rush. That's the one. I'm going to ask you to stand. I'm going to ask you to stand. Stand for a moment. Can you make this little... Just throw me the rope. Throw me the rope and I'll catch it. Throw me the rope. Oh, so that's the way it's going to be, hey? Throw me the rope. Throw me the rope. That's the one. So you've got one. You've got two. And I'll get this one. 3. Free ropes tied by 3 different people. Hi, how you doing? Come and sit down if you're going to watch the show. You may be in a rush. But the closer you get, the bigger I'll look. We call it physics. There you are. Watch. Here we go. Free ropes. 1, 2, 3. 3 ropes tied by 3 different people. You see the way you're looking at me right now. Honestly. I'm going to show you what you look like. I'll show you what you look like. I'll show you what you look like. Get a lot of this. It's all right. It's all right. Yeah, this is what I call the icebreaker. The show actually has not started. The show's just about to start. There goes my manager. How you doing? Yep. You can tell she's not impressed. Right, here we go. I'll do it again. I'll do it again, and this time is your turn. Watch. I'm going to do it with a twist. 1, 2. Yep, that's about 6 of you. Warming you up. I'm going to do it one more time with a twist. Do you want to see the twist? I'll show you the twist. Here's the twist. Look, you get 1, 2, 3. This is it. This is it. You go 1, 2, 3. Now everyone, not just the children, but everyone. That's adults alike, you know. I'm going to ask you all to raise one hand towards the ropes, like so. You twiggle your fingers like that. And you all go... Now you know how I feel. 3, 2, 1. We're going to get this show going. My name is Mario Morris. And welcome. Thank you for being here. Over there, if you do come closer, if you're watching a show, the closer you get, the more involved you'll be. But no further ado. have a stick with you. Some people call that a wand. So I'm going to ask you to do me a small favour, if you would. And ask you to bring me out that wand. You're going to come up stage and you're going to stand right here. That's the one. Let me get that off you. And you stand right there just for a moment. What's your name? Oakley. Oakley, did I say that right? Oakley, high five. Oakley, where are you from? This is Oakley. He's all the way from over by there. Now, Oakley, how old are you? 6. 6 years old. Oakley, 6 years old, all the way from there. You're going to be my assistant. Is that good? In fact, I'm going to teach you how to do some magic. Do you like magic? Well, I'm going to teach you some magic. Yes. But first, I'm going to have to demonstrate. See, I'm going to perform magic. You watch, then I'll watch you. Does that sound cool? Okay, all right, here we go. We call this the magic silk hanky. Watch. And for helping me, Oakley, you're going to get a present. Yeah. You're going to get a present, but watch. I'll go slow, go very slow. You watch, and I'll do. Watch, here we go, Oakley. Watch. You watching? You get one knot. Watch the knot. Watch. I'll do it again. I'll keep on doing it until you all like it. Get one knot, Oakley. Watch carefully because next is going to be your turn. You get the idea? Watch. Here we go. Next will be your turn. You get one knot, Oakley. You watching? Problem. I tell you what, Oakley. Like this. No, for real. Watch. Watch. Magic. Oakley, I'm going to do it again, but this time you're going to do it. In fact, we'll do it together. This is the one, Oakley. Very important part. You hold on to this. You hold on to that. Pull, pull, pull. Make sure the knot's tight. Let go of one end. That's the one. Turn, face your audience. That's the one. Reach up and grab hold of the knot. Show off the knot. Show off the knot. That's the one. Now pull that knot down. You go down. That's the one. Oh, come on. I'll tell you what, Oakley, that was a bigger applause than I got. No, they like you, truly. No, Oakley, hang on. I can't take you home looking like that. I'm going to get in awful trouble. I'll tell you what, Oakley, you're going to help me out. You're going to help me out, magic wand. And that's it, yes. What I'm going to ask you to do, Oakley, is just grab hold of the... That's the one. Like you did before, raise high up in the air. You give it a wiggle. And point like this. No, you've got to get the foot. It's very important. But yeah, so you got the idea. So up in the air like that. And point. Not at me. At the silk. You try it again. That's the one. Oh. Come on. Oakley, I did say I was going to give you a present, didn't I? But first, we've got one more task for you. One more task. This is the one. Just before you become a true magical assistant, you're going to relax. You're going to relax. Come a little bit closer. No, that's the one. Relax. Smile. Arms either side. He's doing very well, isn't he? Oakley. That's called gravity. Stranger than fiction. He's been great. Big round of applause for Oakley. But I did say I'll make you a present, yes? I'll make you a present, and this is it. But first, you have to... You have to choose a colour. Green. No, trust me, it saves a lot of time. Oakley, I'm going to make you a balloon animal. I'm going to make you the world's smallest balloon animal. Is that cool? I'll make you the world's smallest balloon animal. It looks something like this. Here we go. Oh yeah, you know what? Tadpole. No, all right. No, really. Oakley, I'll make you a dog. Do you like dogs? That's good, because that's the only thing I can make. I kid you not. No, really. All right, Oakley, this is it. But before, I'll tell you what do I have? One pack of cards, yes. This is the one. Gonna hand these out to... Are you staying or are you going? You're going. You're not gonna hold these pack of cards for me. No, if you're going, you best... who can I ask? Lady, can I ask? You hold on to those cards. You place them somewhere around your person, yes? On the table even. Relax, forget you got them. In a moment, I'm gonna ask you to bring me out those cards. Will you do that for me? Oakley, this is for you, for helping me out. Here are one dog. Here we go. There you go, hot dog. I can see he's not impressed. Not really, I'll finish it off, for real. Here we go. One head, 2 ears. 2 ears. One head, one neck, 2 legs, 2 legs, one head. You keeping up with this? So you've got 2 legs, 1 neck, 2 ears, 1 head, and a body. There's the body. 2 hind legs and a tail. Here we go. Oakley! That's the one now, Oakley. You go back to your place, enjoy the rest of the show. That's the one. And is there someone who happens to be in the audience who has a, say, pack of cards on them? Well, blow me down with a feather. Lady, can I ask, what is your name? Cheryl, I'm going to ask you to stand for a moment, if you would, and just bring me those cards, if you would. This is Cheryl. That's a... You weren't banking on this, were you? No, you... Cheryl, right, I see, it's still sealed. A fresh pack of cards. Important part. What I'm going to ask you to do, Cheryl, I can see, you want kind of exchange places with your very eager son. Yes. Okay, I'm going to let you off the hook. You come up here on stage, that's the one, right. You stand right there. What's your name? Henry, I can see you're kind of your mum's manager there. It's just the way it is, but that's all right, we can play with that. Henry, where are you from? Over there, that's my joke. The kids are quick, eh? No, seriously, Henry, watch, we're going to do a little bit of magic with a pack of cards. It's called the ambitious card routine. Now, the idea, give them a good shuffle. This is normally your part, see. Some people think I'm cheating. It's true. They think me and Henry are working together. Yes, that's right. I'll pay you later. Right, Henry, look, I'm going to show you each card. Each card is different, yes? Each card's different. What I'm going to do, Henry, I'm going to go for the cards like this. And you're going to shout, stop! With a really loud voice. Important. I'm going to ask you to stand over by here, though, Henry. That's the one. Okay. I'll go for the cards like this. Have you done this before? You have? No. All right. I get the idea. Sorry. Here we go. Yeah, I'll be giving this away at the end of the show, just like Elvis used to. I've had it for ages. But Henry, I'm going to go for the cards like this. You shout stop, I'll stop. That was a good trial, that was. He's very good, isn't he? Yeah, he is. Henry, give him a big round of applause. He hasn't had one yet. They like you. Yes. Okay, Henry, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. I'll go slower, you go faster. Yeah? Slower, faster, really fast. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. I've done nothing. But I will, for real. Here we go. I'll go slow. Here we are, for real. Here we go. Take the top card. Don't show it to me. Don't show it to anyone. Not yet. Not yet. He says, looking for the pen. Important part, having a pen. Yes. So I've got to back up. Now, Henry, take the pen. Don't get it on your shirt, all right? Otherwise, I get a laundry bill. And you're going to draw a happy smiley face on the card. Yeah? Now, not that side. That makes it really easy. The other side. Yes? That's the one. A happy smiley face, just like mine. Yeah, make sure I don't get to see it. Happy smiley face, just like I see. Happy smiley. I'm very happy to be here. I'm very happy you're here as well. Yeah? Henry, let me know when you're done. Don't forget the goatee. And a hat. My goodness. The tallest child in the world. Have you finished, Henry? He's really going for it, he is. So you take your time. I got crayons as well. Let me get the pen before I get that bill. Right, that's the one. Yeah, that's a. Oh look, someone's taking photos. Just don't show my wife, okay? She thinks I work in a bank. All right, Henry, I'm going to go for the cards. You say stop, I'll stop. Here we go. You put the card right back there for me. Put the card there. That's the one. That's the one. I'm going to show everybody your artwork, okay? Is that the right way up? It is? Not this way then. No, that way? It was right the first. I'm going to show everybody, make sure everybody feels included. You can come round in and kind of, you'll get a better view. And or just chill out there, as you please. Oh, bring it round. Bring it round. There's you. Hi, you're late. Where have you been? No, so I'll bring it round. Everyone have a look. Hi. So the way back there, pretending not to watch. No, it's all right. Come and join in. Hi. Have you got a backstage pass? I was just checking, you know. So it's like, all right, here we go. Henry, you're doing very well, very well. Look, I'm going to lose the card in the deck. Give the cards a cut like this. I know it gets messy. Give the cards a good shuffle. I don't know why you do that. It doesn't help the trick at all. Give the cards a good shuffle like so. Make sure they're all mixed up. Like I say, we call this the ambitious card routine. Ambitious because your card should be on the top. I'll show you. So your card should be on the top, right? No? Oh dear. No, really, watch. I'll give the card a little rub like that, and it literally becomes, watch. But take this card tricks, you know, the sense of dexterity to a different level altogether, and making it far more visual, because pack of cards in their very nature are small. I need to play it big. There's a lot of you, you know, coming around to each one of you, so you can see the effect. It's going to take a lot of time. So I'm going to do what I call... well, I'll show you. Now look, Henry, I know this is not your card. It's not his card. It's not. I'll also show you this is not your card. No? It's not his card. I'm going to find his card. Wait for it. It is hard. With my mouth. I can see you're looking rather worried. Now, I'm going to say it again. In order to build up the theatre, I'm going to ask you all to go, ooh, kind of builds up the theatre. I'm going to find Henry's card with my teeth. That's a pretty cool audience. All right, here we go. Sleight of mouth. Henry, if this is your card, it means one thing. It means I'm good. If this is your card, my finale, you're never going to forget. It's the oldest trick in the world. It involves 3 cups and 3 balls and a hat. Watch the hat. It's going to fool you. A hat's fooled thousands of people. My hat will fool you as well today. If this is your card, everyone here is going to go crazy. That's clap, cheer. Throw children in the air with the excitement. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Henry, your present. No, you don't want to touch that. I've got something really nice for you. Right, no, I do. It's, where is it? It's, make sure it's sealed. It's one of my badges. Give Henry a big round of applause. No further ado. I'm going to show you what is known as the oldest trick in the world. One in the world of magic. It involves 3 cups. 1, 2. You've never seen it done the way I do it. I guarantee you that. I'm literally the only person in the world who performs the cups and balls the way I do. See, at the end of this, I will be pulling this tablecloth from underneath 3 glasses and a lot more breakable things. Yeah. Hands up if you want to see it. That's fair for you. Hands up if you don't want to see it. Right, hands up if you just don't care whether you see it or not. It's not normally that many, but still. All right, here we go. 3 cups. 3 cups. 3 cups. And the other thing, like I say, to watch is the hat. The hat will fool you. It has fooled millions. It's been around the world performing for the best part of 22 years. Okay, it's not the original hat, but still. So you get 3 cups and you get 3 balls. You get 1, you get 2, and you get last but not least, you get 3. 3 balls, 3 cups, 3 cups, 3 balls. I'll go slow. Just to be fair. Hi. Just arriving, grand stuff. You can come round, take a seat. There's still some gaps around. But 3 cups, 3 balls. Here we go. See you in a minute. 22 years practice. Watch. See, I'm training your eyes to watch the movement. Watch. 3 balls, 3 cups. It looks like this. I'll do it again. I'll do it again. We call this slight. Actually, the overhand pass. Overhand pass. Slight of mouth. Hi, how you doing? Yes, are you with guardians? Family? Yes. Are you lost? No, they're there. Right, here we go. Slight of mouth. Watch, I'm training your eyes. Eyes follow movement. You create your motion and the eyes follow. I'll explain in a moment. Watch. Eyes follow movements, but this is called sleight of mouth. I wouldn't do that. Look, I put it by ear. I told you, eyes follow movement. I'll explain a bit more. Look, I take the one, I'll put it away. I'll take this one, I'll put it away. And that leaves me how many in the middle? I'll show you. Look, it leaves me with the one. It is fast, like I say. You've got to watch these things. 22 years practice. I'll teach you. See, eyes follow movements. That's the one. You go like this. You see, I keep it here. See, yeah, got it? I'm not going to tell you everything. See, what you're about to see is going to blow your mind. It is. Tomorrow morning, you're going to wake up and go, he was good. In a month's time, you'll still be talking about me. You'll be going, Mario Morris, you know, the magic man down at the Bay, he was good. In years to come, you'll be telling your grandchildren about the time you came down here and saw the magician Mario Morris performing his magic show. Well, watch. Like I say, eyes follow movement. I don't tell them everything. I don't. You know. So here's the secret. See, what I do is take the ball. I take the ball like that, and I slip it underneath the cup like this. Then I take the ball. I place it into the pouch. But this is the surprising part. I'm still one step ahead of you. See. That's called gravity. Watch. 1 ball, 1 cup. Now, if you've been watching carefully, you would know how many balls are underneath this cup. How many balls? I'll show you. Look. You've got 1, you've got 2. 1, 2. Now I'll go slow, yes? How many balls? You're getting the idea. Well done, Henry. Look, you've got 1, you've got 2. Now you've got it. How many balls? Everyone. No, you're not watching. Look, it's free. Yeah. I did promise I won't juggle. Rules are there for a reason. Right, look. How many balls underneath the cup? Lemon. No, this is the part. See, I did promise also, I did say, at the end of this show, I will pull this tablecloth from underneath 3 glasses and more breakable things. Oh yeah. It could go wrong. Right, here we go. 1 ball, 1 hat. Still, here we go. 1 ball, 1 hat. Important part. Very important part. 1 ball, 1 hat. Magic. Ball gone. I'll make you come back. I know what you're thinking, lady. You're thinking, that is not magic. You can see it's written all over your face. It's like, yeah, right. No, seriously, what you're about to see, you're not going to forget. Here we go. How many balls underneath the hat? Good try, but it's full, see? Has been all along, but there you go. 4 balls, 1 hat, and 3 cups. Here we go, people. But no further ado. Yes. I'm going to ask for my finale. You're going to see something you're not going to forget. Here we go. That's what. Sorry, my fault. Oh yeah. I'm going to pull this tablecloth from underneath all these things. It could go wrong. Do you want to see it? There's definitely children involved. That's the one. All right, here we're gonna do it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I'll pull. No, this could go wrong. No, I've got a bag of broken glass at home to prove it. That's another show as well. Walking broken glass. 3, 2, 1. I'll do it. Are you ready? Here we go. 3. Right, nobody. Let me explain, so you fail to get the plot. See, I am leaving the house of magic. I am. I'm literally walking across the street like this. And I'm entering the house of sideshow and circus. There is no safety net, there is no free goes. If this goes wrong, it goes wrong. Lady, right in the back, if you see a jar of magic flying through the air like this, that's my floor lamp. Flying through the air like this. Coming towards you. It's not an illusion, all right? Just get out of the way, someone at the back will catch. So, I'm going to ask you folks, that's lucky, to make this show count. My show is your show. I'm going to ask you to make some noise. And the way we do that with is a slow hand clap. Like this. Everyone. Not just the children. I will pick on you if you don't join in. If you're watching a show, give me some energy, and I'll give you the best I can give. Right, everyone. Are you ready? Well done, Henry. Right, here we go. Stop clapping, stop clapping. Everyone look, this man right here, he's not clapping, he's staring at me like a tax inspector. No, really, folks, no, just kidding. Real theatre, real. You can see me, I can see you. So let's make some noise. Here we go. Louder. Faster. Three, 2, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Thank you. Ladies and gents, my name is Mario Morris. Just want to say, I have some badges here with me, and I'd like to give every single child here one of these as a free gift. And thank you so much for watching my show. Have a beautiful day. Stick around, the sun has come out. Thank you very much. Thank you.